Hello friends, this is the Cryptonian taking a look at the market. This is just basically an update. This is what happens when Bitcoin breaks out. You have the altcoins that go crazy. Now, I'm not saying that you should buy these. I'm just showing you what is happening in the market. Um, you know, Dreams, right? Up 42%. Now, don't feel bad if you missed this one. I even missed it. Because when you look at the one day, I mean, look at this. I mean, this is really not something that you can do anything with. These sporadic pumps. This 42% pump came out of nowhere. Now you know in the future, if Bitcoin is pushing up strong, then Dreams is one that may be exploding. But the reality is, look, it's in this protracted long downtrend. And timing these pumps is almost nearly impossible, right? So, um, that's the one thing about these. You'd have to be here on the 1 hour and sitting here waiting for this thing, and that's what you see on the 1 hour. So on the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours, this all happened within the last 6 hours. Okay, so you have to think ahead and and go from there. Like when Bitcoin's getting ready to break out, the altcoins will break out heavy and hard as well. Especially now after we've been in such a downtrend for a long time. The market is hungry, the market is buying, and again, do not chase these. So we're going to take a look at some of these coins here. On my list, Dreams up 40%, DYDX huge gains. Let's see, DYDX is up. Where's the percentage? I don't see the percentage. One moment, please. Percentage gains. Nope, I don't see it. Okay, we'll do it this way. All right, DYDX up 18%. Huge over here. See, over here. And you can see this list. Boom, 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 boom. I mean, 41%, 18%, 11%, 10%. Amazing. And what's nice about this charting system, using the white line for the 30-day moving average, you can see when the price changed. You can see when the trend changed from bearish to bullish, went up, got rejected by the 200 daily moving average on the hour, found support at the 30, and then boom, game on, right? This is the kind of visual trading, or excuse me, visual investing or trading. I mean, if you're a trader, that's fine. But when you have your chart set up visually, it's much easier to spot those entries, right? So anyway, there you go. DYDX up 17%, Atom up 11%, Cadena up 10%. See, coming off the bottom there. Glimmer 9%. Let's go ahead and take it off the 1 hour and go to the 4 hour. So the 4 hour, ooh, oh yeah, that's Glimmer. There you go. Okay, so on the 4 hour, you see these pumping, but we're still a bit bearish, right? DYDX showing a lot of momentum, but finally turned around on the 4 hour. Atom posted a lot of gains before, but this is just, this pump probably will not last for Atom unless there's a market-wide turnaround. Cadena, look at that. I mean, it's a huge pump, nice 10%, but it's still bearish, right? RMRK up 9%, just barely starting to turn around the trend. And so now the real opportunity begins, right? The real opportunity begins after this weekend, after, like next week, right? When the macro trend, if Bitcoin changes trend, the macro trend will change for altcoins, Bitcoin, and then there's going to be a lot of opportunity in the market to be able to just buy and hold or trade or invest long term, whatever you want to do, right? So Now, I'm not saying chase after these projects. I'm not saying buy them now. I can't give financial advice anyway. But what I am saying is there's a lot of opportunity out there, especially if Bitcoin has found its bottom and will start moving up. Now, don't chase projects, right? Don't buy them after 10, 40% pumps, right? You want to find them, catch them on pullbacks. Like, for example, this one, right, on the 4 hour went through a sell off, right? Now it may be starting to change a trend and go up. Depends on Bitcoin, depends on the market, right? So if the market continues, this is kind of the area that you want to be looking for, but you want to buy on some kind of a pullback, you know, and consolidation. Moon River, nice pump, 9%, still bearish. Render, nice pump, 8%, possibly changing trend here, okay? Possibly changing trend. So it's good to take a look at the market, have a list, make a watch list, and of those projects that have quality fundamentals, projects that are building, they have good VC venture capitalists behind them, and then you can invest long term on a lot of these projects. This is Veracity, CRO. CRO is a good one. Ruin, not a real big fan of Ruin. It's more of a short-term profit building strategy coin. FTM, Phantom. They're great, great project, but they're so overbought. It's crazy. Matic. Matic is going to do well because of Ethereum scaling problems, right? And the fees. So Matic is the layer 2 solution to Ethereum's problems. Now, once Ethereum comes out with its own solutions later, Ethereum 2.0, etc., etc., well, then you can have the conversation as to whether Matic will be as relevant. It'll still be relevant and still needed. It's part of the ecosystem, but Near protocol had a nice pump, 6%, still in a 4-hour downtrend. So for example, Near. Whoops, this is a good one here. This is a good example. Sorry guys, let me remove this. Where you want to catch this kind of move is here in your transition point, where it pushes up, you see a red candlestick, right? And then it goes green again, and you see the red turning to green. You're turning to a green cloud. Boom, 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 boom. It starts to turn red again, sell, right? And then your profit here on Near would have been massive, massive. Now that's the short game, right? You can do a long game. This is more of a swing trade, but you can do a longer game. Just make sure that the projects you're in have a lot of upside potential, have good fundamentals, etc. So taking a look at Cody. Cody again is going to be essential to ADA's ecosystem, the stable coin. They have broken out again right here. So this is critical for them. If they can break back out and hold the breakout and start moving up and past that 42 cents, they're going to do well. They're going to do well. Just got to take a while for Cardano to get their ecosystem up and running. Cartesi looks like it wants to put in, if Bitcoin continues, we've got a higher low, and look at this, getting ready to turn into the green cloud, which we could possibly see this kind of a reaction. Boom. That's if Bitcoin breaks out over 44,000, right? Oasis, Rose Network, very, very popular. Very popular. On the 4-hour, above the 200 daily moving average, under the 30 daily moving average. So the money shot is when it turns up and holds over the 30, and then it starts to go up, right? So we're getting very close to a lot of big opportunities in these projects, right? Theta, look at this. Theta had triple touch, one touch, two touch, three touch, boom. Went into a pump, and then now it's over the 200 daily moving average on the 4 hour. Whether it can hold it or not, that's a different story. Long term, you want to see it hold above the 200 daily moving average, and you want to see a general uptrend. A lot of these projects, although they're pumping, we're just not there yet. CeeLo putting in a lower low, but it looks like it could be going in for another bull cloud run, right? EGLD, not a real big fan. It has its place, but API 3, that's more of a pumper and dumper. That's just a quick, that's a trader coin. Decentraland, it's a little slow to the punch. They're having issues with their getting started, rolling out their plans for their project. Dogelon, not a fan. Ethereum, Tether. Okay, Ethereum, look, Ethereum's starting to turn around as well. If Bitcoin breaks out, Ethereum's going to follow, right? Just the thing is if you're, if you're going to deal with Ethereum, you want to save fees, right? You can do that with Femex. You can use a trading platform like Femex, and then you don't have those fees, and you can still profit from the move. Cardano ADA looking like it's going to hold on the 4 hour, or possibly hold. Looks like it wants to anyway. It's making an effort to hold above the 4 hour here, like this. So we could see some sideways movement for a while, and then as Bitcoin turns around and the market turns around, then we can start holding that 200 daily moving average and start moving up into another green bull cloud. And that's a great place to get in as it turns around. And then as the entire market pumps, you could see ADA go to, go back to 163, test it, and break above it. So there you have it, friends. I just want to put this out there. A lot of projects. Here's AVAX up 4%. AVAX getting ready, if it holds its gains, getting ready to move into another bull cloud, right? So this is a critical point for a lot of projects. Dot, let's see, dot double bottom. Yeah, look, oh, look at this. Double bottom for dot. Beautiful, slightly higher. Dot is getting ready to go into a bull cloud. Watch dot, friends. If the market continues, dot will be one to be in. And then, of course, a break above this last high at $28 would see higher highs. That would be a breakout for dot. Solana 140, slow at the punch. You have a lot of people just not really focused on Solana right now. It's slow. It's breakout would be above 155, and then it would have to tackle the 200 daily moving average. But we do have a double bottom, so it could be going into a bull cloud. So many opportunities in the market, friends. So there you have it. I don't want to make the video too long, just showing you different projects that are pumping. Pretty much KCS, good project, right? KuCoin token, getting ready, put in a higher low, getting ready to move up into a bull cloud if it takes over the 200 daily moving average, breakout above 2115. So it's very close, not far away. Watch for it. So there you go, friends. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're in profit. Whether you're an investor and you bought the bottom, or what appears to be the bottom so far, or whether you are a short-term trader and you're just swing trading until the weekend or until Friday, tomorrow, whatever. If you bought in, congratulations. You're probably in profit. If you bought some of these coins on my list, you're definitely in profit. Dreams up 41%, DYDX 17% right now. Look at that, right at resistance, testing the 200 daily moving average. Double bottom, double bottom. Look at this, double bottom, higher second bottom, right? Higher second low. Boom. And of course, again, these are dependent on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin reverses and comes back down, you're going to see all of these profits evaporate, right? So, altcoins can be very tricky sometimes. You can have long-term holds if they're a good project, good fundamentals. But if you're just, jumping on the pump, you need to know when to take profits. Take profits along the way. Anyway, not investment advice, friends. I'm not a financial advisor. Thank you for watching. Please click like. We will see you in the next video.